Kickstart your ISO 27001 certification journey in under 60 seconds. Click the Add to Cart button and then hit Checkout. You also have the option of using Shop Pay or PayPal for faster payments. Enter all the payment details just as you would on any other website, or use the Express Checkout buttons. You can opt to receive monthly updates and receive new offers directly on your phone. Enter your credit card and address details on the screen. Then click the Pay Now button. In just a few seconds, your downloads will be ready. You can save your download to a folder and open the zip file to access your toolkit. Our toolkit has been structured to make it easy for you to begin your certification journey. In the toolkit, you will find the following folders: Implementation and Planning, Risk Management, ISMS Policies, Change Management, Incident Management, Internal Audit, and Management Review. We also have a README file, which will help you get started on your certification journey. We offer unlimited email and chat support, so our team is always ready to assist you in your certification journey. Don't hesitate to book a free demo with our auditors.